how to log into Spotify or create account on Spotify. If you want to either log in or create your account on Spotify, first of all, open the Spotify app, right? Now to log in, it's very simple. Right when you open the app, you can see this option called login at the bottom. Now you can log in with Google or Facebook, but you can also tap the login button, and then you can make sure to enter your email or username, your password, and then log into your account. If you don't know what password you typed in, you can tap on the I button right here. Now if you want to create an account, however, you can see this option right on the home page that says sign up for free. So you can tap on the sign up free option, and just make sure to enter the email address that you would like to use for your Spotify account right here. Then tap on the next option right here, and once you've done that, you can tap on the next option again, and after you've done that, you have to create a password, at least 10 characters. Tap on next, verify the email, and then your Spotify account will be successfully created. And this way you'll be able to either create or log into your Spotify account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.